Another boring day. Don't bother me.
Please! My daughter needs help!
Yeah. Take a seat.
Miss, I can't breathe well.
Not my problem.
Please. Chest pain.
Wait your turn, old man.
Why aren't you checking in the patients?
Relax. I'm busy.
Let them wait. Not my headache.
H-E-L-P! She fainted!
Stop yelling! I'm on a call!
Excuse me, nurse. Do you know when the doctor will?
Can't you see I'm busy? Sit down. Why is nobody being treated? Because SHE refuses to work. This is unacceptable.
Those videos prove nothing.
Wait.
I can explain.
We're taking her right now.
Thank you.
You're finished here. Can't hurt you.
You can't fire me.
Hippo nurse, you're under investigation for medical negligence.
What?
Let's go.
This isn't fair.
Our hospital will never tolerate neglect again.
Neglecting others isn't laziness. It's cruelty. And cruelty always comes back to you.
Every fruit in this jungle is mine.
Even the one still growing, sire.
From now, only the king may eat fruit. But sire, what will the others eat? Orders of the king, no fruit for peasants.
But my baby is hungry!
My kingdom, my belly, my rules. Until the vines grow tired, sire. The forest is starving. The jungle remembers everything.
Nature is waking up, sire.
Bah! I rule the roots too. Double the harvest. Bring me every last berry.
Even from the sacred trees, sire.
The trees are moving. They whisper your name.
Then let them bow to their king. My feast is rotting. The jungle fights back, sire. The forest is alive. We can't stop it. Stop this! I am your ruler! Not anymore, sire! I won't share a single bite! Forgive me! I will share! The jungle does not forgive greed. The forest breathes again.
But where is the king?
I took everything and lost the forest.
Sharing grows more than trees. A crown of kindness shines longest. The jungle feeds all who respect it.
Welcome to Rico's Fresh Sea Juice, the purest drink under the sun.
It's just ocean water, boss.
Why does it taste like salt in it?
That's natural flavor, luxury style. Sparkle juice makes you glow. More like burn their throats. Business is booming, baby! Or drowning.
Free supply, infinite profit.
Until someone tastes the truth.
My throat burns from your juice!
That's called premium sensation.
Everyone, look! He's selling seawater!
Delete that or I'll double your bill.
Boss, they want refunds!
Refunds are for losers. I now use special sea minerals.
That's just salt again, boss.
Ocean Health Department inspection time. You don't need to check, sir. It's fresh. Real juice doesn't melt coral. Told you so. Rich and unstoppable. Not in my ocean. You are under arrest for ocean fraud.
You can't cage a businessman.
You made us sick for profit!
I just wanted to be famous. Your new job. Clean the beach you poisoned. Real work, boss.
Feels good, right?
It burns, but in a better way. Fresh water, honest work, real respect. Justice tastes better without salt. Move it, people! I don't have all day!
Sir, can you please take us to the hospital? My son's feeling cold.
Hospital? You two can't even pay half the fare, can you?
Sir, please drive carefully. The little one's not well.
You don't tell me how to drive in my taxi!
Please slow down!
If you're scared, get out and walk! Poor animals like you should stay off the road! You ruined my day!
Let's push it to the side. You'll block traffic.
Keep your flippers off my taxi! No! Not now! My beautiful taxi!
Looks like your engine's overheated. It's catching fire! Move back! What?
My taxi! We need to move fast. You helped me. What's going on here? Engine fire, sir, but everyone's safe. I yelled at the only ones who cared enough to help.
We all make mistakes. What matters is learning.
I'm sorry. I was rude, proud, and blind.
Apology accepted, Mr. Elephant.
Looks like you're back in business. Yeah, but now with respect for every passenger. Every fare deserves kindness. Another call? Can't they find someone else?
Panda, a child is hurt. You're the closest unit.
Relax, I'll go. Maybe after lunch. Lives depend on us. Move it! Bro, stress gives wrinkles. Chill. He'll handle it. He always does.
You skipped 3 emergency this week. 1 patient almost died.
I'm not skipping. I'm pacing myself.
One more incident and you're done.
Fine. I'll try harder. Maybe.
Emergency near Maple Road. Child critical.
Maple Road's too far in this rain.
Good luck, buddy. I'll take the next one.
There's been an accident on Maple Road. Huh? That same place last night?
Your son was in that accident.
What? No. Please hold on, buddy. Please.
If I'd just gone last night.
Don't you dare leave me, my boy! You finally came. Now let's save him.
Please,
Just let him live. He's going to be okay.
Thank you so much.
I wasted so many seconds. Never again. No one will wait again. Not on my watch.